Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to make the colors in your video stand out more? Canva's color pop filters can enhance specific color tones and create a more vibrant and eye-catching look with just a few taps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make your video colors pop in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. You can edit an existing video project or create a new video project. For this example, I'll create a new video, tap video, choose YouTube video. Next, select a template to continue. Once the video editor opens, tap the video clip you want to edit on the timeline. Swipe through the editing tools below the timeline until you find filters, then tap filters. The filters panel will open. Select color pop. If you don't see it, swipe through the filter categories until you find color pop. The color pop category includes several styles such as Hibicus, Poster, X Pro, and X Pro Plus. Tap each filter to preview how it changes the colors in your video. Try different options and choose the style that makes your video look the way you want. After selecting a filter, tap the X icon, then tap the checkmark icon. The color pop effect will now be applied to your video. To save your video, tap the upload icon. Select share or download. For this example, I'll choose download. The download settings will appear. You can adjust the file type and quality settings or keep the default options, then tap download. Canva will process and save your video. And that's how to make your video colors pop using color pop filters in Canva Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.